Our process begins with our customers. We take great care in understanding their needs so we can translate that into the technical requirements to give them the best possible solution. Now the heavy-duty work for the engineering begins. Our machines are completely modeled in 3D with SolidWorks. We create a full drawing package, including mechanical and electrical schematics. That way the customers have what they need down the line if they need any spare parts or need to troubleshoot the machine. Each machine that we make is built to order. Our first manufacturing process is selecting the right casting from our inventory so we can begin the teardown. Once the machine's in the teardown area, our technicians start stripping the machine down to the bare casting. The next step is the spray booth. All the machine castings and major components are pressure washed to be clean, in some cases removing more than 50 years of built-up grime. Once everything's been cleaned, all the major subassemblies head off to their respective departments to get work done. In our paint area, all of the major subassemblies, including the base, have all of the paint removed. All the paint from the castings is removed by hand. We grind away all of the existing old paint so we have a nice fresh base to start from. In the paint booth, our machines are primed and then painted with high-quality epoxy enamel. This gives the machines a nice finish that will last many, many years. In the grinding department, after all of the ways are ground, we hand scrape each way to a 2/10 tolerance over the entire area. This process helps us retain the oil between the moving surfaces, providing exceptional durability. At Allways Precision, we take pride in building the best spindles available on the market. In our spindle department, each of our spindles is hand flaked to provide the tightest fit in the industry. In the electrical department, all of our panels are built externally before being moved over to the machine. We take great pride in building them to UL 508A and NFPA 79 standards. For our machines, we have over 95% of the parts made in-house. Each component is inspected afterwards to make sure it meets the print tolerance. At Allways Precision, all of our automation is designed, built, and integrated in-house. We have a large variety of automation systems, from gantry loaders, 5-bowl feeders, shaft loaders, conveyors, suitable to meet any customer's grinding challenges. Over 80% of the machines that we build have automation. This is a trend that we expect to only get bigger in the future. Once all of the components come out of the machine shop, grinding, and spindle departments, everything ends up in final assembly. This is where our technicians then take great care to put these high-quality components together to build the ultimate precision machine. After the mechanical assembly is complete, the electrical team takes over. From wiring the machines to commissioning them, a key feature of our equipment is that all of the commissioning of the machine itself is done from the HMI. This means that down the line, you don't need to rely on any external computers in order to reprogram or adjust any values on your machine. All of our machines run our conversational software. The same software powers every machine that we build. Our software, AP Grind, has been in continuous development for more than 30 years. Now that the machine's complete, we're ready to deliver it to the customer to solve their toughest grinding challenges. The final step of our process is having the customer come in and approve the machines. Once that's been successfully completed, we're ready to deliver it and help our customers solve their toughest grinding challenges. The support for our equipment doesn't end after delivery. We're here to provide long-term, complete care for our customers well after delivery. With over 3,000 part numbers and $3 million worth of inventory on hand, we have the parts that our customers need when they need them. We have multiple service personnel based at different locations across the nation. Many of our customers have never even centerless ground before. We also provide training to help our customers get their machines up and running.